In this quick Excel tutorial, I'm going to teach you how you can insert new rows or new columns in your spreadsheet. So this is really easy to do. And let's say I would like to add a new row in between number 5 and the number 4 row. So I'm going to select number 5. I'm going to right click. And here you just want to choose insert. And this is going to insert new row. Now I'm going to show you also a quicker way how you can do it. So I'm going to select again number 5, and on the keyboard you want to press Ctrl and plus. So Ctrl plus, and here we go. This is going to create new row. And you can do the same with the columns. So let's say I want to add a new column before E. So I'm going to select it, Ctrl plus on keyboard, and this is going to create new column. And if you want to add multiple columns, it works same, but you just have to select more columns or rows. So let's say I want to add 5 new columns. So I'm going to select 3, 4, 5 like this, then Ctrl plus, and this is going to add new 5 columns before the columns you selected. And it works also same for the rows. So I can select like this. I'm going to Ctrl plus on keyboard, and it's going to create new rows. Or you can also right click and then click on insert. And if you want to remove them, you can use also the option with right click. So if I want to remove this fifth row, which is empty, I'm going to right click on it, then click on delete. And you can also do the same with the columns. So I want to remove all those empty columns. I'm going to select them, right click, delete. And that's basically it. This is how you can add or insert new columns or rows in Excel. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.